Once upon a time, in a vast, golden prairie, lived a curious little boy named Timmy. Timmy loved exploring the prairie, but his favorite companions were the playful prairie dogs. One sunny day, Timmy noticed something unusual. One of his prairie dog friends was buried in a hole, not playing like the others. Timmy felt a pang of concern in his heart. He walked over to the hole and said, "Hello, little friend, why aren't you playing today?" The prairie dog peeked out and said, "I'm stuck. I can't get out." Timmy's eyes widened. He knew he had to help. He remembered his mother telling him about teamwork. He called out, "Who's with me to help rescue our friend?" Soon, a group of prairie dogs gathered around. They worked together, digging and pushing until they finally managed to free the trapped prairie dog. The prairie dog wagged its tail and said, "Thank you, Timmy. You are a true friend." Timmy smiled, his heart filled with joy. He learned a valuable lesson that day: teamwork makes even the hardest tasks easier. From that day forward, Timmy and his prairie dog friends continued to explore the prairie together, always ready to help each other. And as the sun set, they would gather around a warm fire, sharing stories and laughter, cherishing the bond of friendship. The end.